This episode explores how emotional intelligence quietly shapes everyday relationships, guiding empathy, self-awareness, and healthier reactions. It provides practical cues for reading feelings, regulating impulses, and choosing words that reduce defensiveness during tough conversations. The segment on communication covers active listening, reflective summaries, and questions that invite collaboration rather than blame. Conflicts are broken down into clear steps. Identify goals, express concerns, negotiate solutions, and repair trust after disagreements. The influence of social media is examined with evidence on comparison, boundary setting, and practical tips for nurturing real connection.